Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? What's going on this time, my friends? The Dogecoin price is fails down minus 0.92%. The price is decreased. You can see here the price is 0.24 to 0.245. You can see, my friend, it is not a big difference, my friend, in the prices, but absolutely because in last 7 days, if we check out, so 10.32% the price is increased now. So therefore, the price is never fails down very highly. So kindly, my friends, holder, you will also need to don't starting selling. I hope, my friends, this is temporary fails. You will never need, my friends, to starting selling. Otherwise, if you are starting selling, if you do this mistake, remember to you will never get a profit. Just and only, as you can see, my friend, congratulations, many, because as you can see this time last 7 day 8.37% profit, but in last 1 day you can say minus 1.37% loss. So and again in last 1 hour they will pumps up. So absolutely, my friend, I know this is temporary fails, but I hope, my friends, they will completely go to the moon in upcoming days. And why I will tell you this, because Dogecoin will, my friends, go to collaborate with a lot of companies, so I can't expect this from Dogecoin, but definitely at the end of month every coin will move upwards. So therefore I hope, my friends, to Dogecoin will give you a very huge profit. Kindly don't miss this, my friends, huge chance. Absolutely they will give you a profit, but if you are starting holding and if you are start, my friends, waiting for the end of this month. So thanks for watching Dogecoin holder. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.